Hello Android users, in this video I will tell you how to add green screen and other backgrounds when you do video call, right? Let me tell you how do we do that.
So first you have to make a video call, right? Because on video call you can use these features. Now here I'm calling this contact.
Alright, so once the person picks up, right, you will see your screen, right? Here you will get option of that shining pen below the camera turning option, right? The second circle in your screen, right? And see here you can see there are three options: effect, background and filters. You tap on background and see these are the options that you get. It is very random that you see whichever you like, you can take it up, right? And also green screen option is the first one which you have to select,
And then you can select any background you want from a gallery. And see, we have this blue one and we have more options here. You can select any. Many scenes are there in the background and then some cartoonish ones. So try it out and do a video call with a friend to try.
so that's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.